If you are job hunting in 2026, you have probably heard of Teal. It's everywhere, but is it actually worth your time or your money? Let's break it down fast. What is Teal? Teal is an all-in-one job search platform. It combines an AI resume builder, a job application tracker, a Chrome extension, a LinkedIn profile reviewer, and even a networking CRM, all in one dashboard. It's built to treat your job hunt like a project, with templates, timelines, and checkpoints. Key features. Three features stand out. First, the resume tailoring tool. When you save a job to the tracker, Teal pulls the job description and instantly helps you tailor your resume to match it. Second, keyword matching. It scans your resume against a specific job description and flags gaps before you submit. Great for beating ATS filters. Third, the job tracker and Chrome extension. You can save jobs from any board with one click and manage everything in a clean Kanban style board. There is also autofill for applications, but heads up, the AI generated answers do not adapt to your writing style over time, so the editing workload doesn't really shrink the more you use it. Pricing. The free plan is genuinely solid. Unlimited job tracking, the Chrome extension, a basic resume builder, and resource library, all at no cost. For advanced AI features like unlimited tailoring and bullet point writing, you'll need Teal Plus. Pricing varies by source, but expect somewhere between roughly $13 a week and $29 a month depending on the plan. The catch. Here's the honest part. Much of the AI generated content still needs real human editing to feel authentic, and some features can lack polish. At higher price points, it's really only worth it as a short sprint during an active job search, not something you keep paying for a month after month. Verdict. So, is Teal the best AI career tool in 2026 for organizing your job search and tailoring resumes fast? Yes, it is one of the strongest all-arounders out there, but it is not the best at everything. Tools like Careerflow lean harder into LinkedIn optimization, and others focus purely on auto-apply automation. If you want one dashboard to do it all reasonably well, Teal earns its reputation. If you want the best at one specific thing, you might look elsewhere. That is the Teal review. Let me know down below in the comments if you have tried it. Like the video and subscribe for more honest AI tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching and goodbye.